What's going on, everybody? This is just a quick unboxing video of the Nautical Star from Precision Tube Laser. For those of you who don't know who they are, they're the ones that made the hurricane thing that people were welding up on Instagram. They make a lot of cool weldable kits. They're a tubing laser cutting company. I don't know if they do regular laser cutting, but they have a machine that cuts tubing with a laser and spins it and just cuts really intricate shapes. This is one of them. This is a kit you can buy and just weld it up at home, and it looks really cool. It's called their Nautical Star. So let's see what's in this box here. And when I ordered this, well, first off, the one that they show online is all tacked together and looks really neat. So I had no idea how it would come or how everything really fit together. I'm gonna weld it up in the next video, but for this one, we're just gonna pull it out of the box and see what's in here and how it's all packaged, in case you were thinking about ordering one. So far we have a box inside of a box. That one's empty. Well, as you can see, it's a bunch of round tubes that are cut into very pointy shapes. I don't have a caliper at my shop. I need to get one of those, obviously, but if I had to guess, this is in the 50, 60 thousandth range of tubing thickness. Looks like about 1.5 inch diameter tube. I guess you just kind of have to figure out how this goes. I mean, they cut it out, throw it in this box, and ship it to you. There's no real directions. And then it comes with 4 pieces for the frame, which look to be the same thickness as the tubing, and they're 1.5 inches by 2 inches. And you can see how they laser cut this stuff out for the pieces to go through. Like this would be something like this. And then this is obviously the ends. All their stuff so far seems to fit together really nice. I mean, it is laser cut, so it should be pretty precise. I wasn't sure what the finish of the metal would be. It looks like it's just right off the rack. Still has the oil on it. So however you want to finish it up, whether you want to Scotch-Brite it or just wipe it clean, I guess that would all be up to you. It looks to be a total of 20 separate pieces, and you just kind of have to figure out how it all goes. I think this is the corner. This is the one weld I was kind of worried about. I almost was considering not having these, but now looking at it, it doesn't look like it'd be too bad. Just a really long weld, all the way from there to there, and obviously around the backside. So if this is the corner, then this would come like this. I really don't know how high. I guess it'd just be how it all lays out, But yeah, that's it. Just a quick unboxing video. I'm going to be welding it up in my next YouTube video, so I hope you come back and watch that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Make sure you don't miss that video. And I'll be posting the final results on Instagram. I'm at Defiant Metal. So give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.